In today's video, we are talking about farms. There are many animals that live on a farm. The biggest animals that live on a farm are cows. Cows can be black, white, or brown. They give us milk to drink. They like to eat grass. Sheep are black or white and are very fluffy. Sheep give us wool, which we use to make clothes. Sheep love to eat grass too. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Horses are big and strong animals. They can be white, grey, brown, or black. People ride horses, and this activity is called horse riding. Horses are very strong, so they can help us to pull things. Horses like grass and fruits and vegetables, like apples and carrots. Donkeys are similar to horses, but they are smaller and they have longer ears. Donkeys are one of my favorite animals because they always look so sad. Pigs are pink animals that like to eat a lot. A baby pig is called a piglet. They are pink, but sometimes they look brown because they like to play in dirty water. Goats also live on a farm. We get milk from goats, and you can make goat's cheese from this milk. Goats are very similar to sheep. I don't like these animals because they like to bite people. Some farms have bees. Bees are small black and yellow insects that make honey. I love to eat honey in the morning when I have breakfast. Other small animals that live on a farm are chickens. Chickens lay eggs, which we can eat. Chickens stay outside during the day, but go inside at night because foxes can kill them at night. Foxes like to kill chickens, so farmers are very careful. I think that foxes are beautiful orange animals, but I don't like them when they eat chickens. Ducks are birds that live on farms too. They like to swim in water. They normally live in small lakes at a farm. Ducks lay eggs like chickens. They like to eat small insects and plants. Turkeys are big birds that live on a farm. In England, we eat turkey a lot. We usually have turkey for Christmas dinner with vegetables like carrots, broccoli, peas, and potatoes. In the United States, turkey is also the typical food at Thanksgiving, so it's a very popular food. Cats and dogs can also live on a farm. They normally live in people's houses, so they are pets, but they sometimes live on a farm. Cats like to play and eat mice and rats, so they can help on a farm. Rats and mice can eat the other animals' food, which is bad, so farmers need cats on the farm. Farmers don't want mice or rats on the farm. Dogs are very intelligent and they help the farmers too. Dogs usually work with the sheep and the goats on the farm. Farmers also grow fruits and vegetables. In England, people eat a lot of potatoes, carrots, onion, peas, and broccoli. These are English people's favourite vegetables. Farmers grow fruit like apples, pears, tomatoes, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. But in England, we don't grow fruits like bananas, mangoes, watermelons, or pineapples. What types of fruits and vegetables do farmers grow in your country? You can answer this question in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more A1 level videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.